Hi there, it's Pascal here. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing one of the reasons most people fail in online business, and because I share my journeys and I share some of the things I experienced myself, so that if you're looking to start a business online, you will know whether when you start experiencing them, basically you will see if what I've shared can help you overcome a challenge from quitting, because most people quit very easily in online business. And not that it's easy, but they don't get to the state where they can actually make some funds. As a result, they label it a scam or it doesn't work. Now, if you're going to sorry, let's come. If you're going to start a business online, what I want you to understand is you have to be willing to do something over and over again. You have to be willing to take feedback. You have to be willing to listen to your customers. Because if you don't have this patience to understand what you're being told, chances are you are going to not get the result. Let me share with perspective with you. If you are in any corporate entity, without any job at all, if you're not getting a result that they want you to do in getting your job, they give you feedback to go and improve. They give you some time. As a result, they have to make a decision whether you are getting what they are trying to get you to do. And if you're not, you know the consequences of that is very simple. You get fired. But it's ability to develop that skill to always go back. This can come in your family. Like if you got kids and you're looking to help them to do their homework, and you often realize that it's not that first time you try to teach him that he understands it. And as a result, most parents don't have the patience to go back and help their child over and over until they get it. They just like snap out immediately and start yelling or screaming or shouting in the process of trying to teach somebody, and you realize the child is not getting it. You just aggravated the whole situation. This is very common in homes when parents try to teach their kids. So when you're starting a business online now, you will find out that in like SFM's business model, you will find out that you would possibly go through the modules once. Like there's a training called Elite Influence that I did it once. I did the exercise, but it wasn't over there. At some point I was not getting the results I wanted in the business. I had to go to my trainer I tell him to explain to me why I wasn't getting any further. He said, Pascal, it's like you missed something. I'm telling him I did not miss anything. He's telling me, Pascal, I know you did not, but it's always best. You will get more value from going back. I knew what he was trying to do was I knew I didn't want to go back. I just wanted to make money ahead. And the message he was trying to give me was, for you to make money ahead, you need to develop a skill of going back on yourself to check what yourself. This enables you to launch a better product, be a better version of yourself. It's that simple. Remember, he said the secret in life is you will become what you think about, what you are thinking, not what the coach is telling you. What you are thinking in that moment, they are telling you that stuff. It's a secret. So if you really, really want to succeed you have to be willing to listen. Listen. It's a skill. I did not get this when I started, but as the business progresses, as the journey progresses, I start understanding the fundamentals. Let's say you launch some companies go as far as launching a product. The product is in the marketplace.
I hate the call.
Yeah, it's all right. That's not too bad. You launch a product in the marketplace, and you come into the customers are giving you feedback that maybe if it's a wristwatch, maybe the screen does not display quite well under the sun, or the battery life is not long. This is feedback. You have to listen to your customers. If not, in the next project and product that you want to launch, you need to solve these problems. If you really have that customer that you want to wear your wristwatch at heart, you need to solve these problems. That shows that you put your customer first. That's why they say customers are always right. So they give you feedback. If you notice that when you come out with a better product that solves that problem, you sell more. And you even add more values to it, to yourself and your integrity of your business. This is how you become successful. So if you're looking to start a business online, this is my message to you. Don't feel bad going back. Know that you're going back to come back better. It's that simple. It's a skill of training your mind to learn. Just like kids in the Bible, Jesus Christ, kingdom of God is for people that are like kids. It's just people that are willing to learn. If you tell this boy, what would you like to go and play around today? Ride bicycle? Would you like to learn? Mm-hmm. Kids are always willing to learn. Are we going to do our homework today? Mm-hmm. This comes by me constantly telling him it's good, the benefits of it. I'm trying to sell him to do things, to understand. Sometimes when you do your homework, Daddy said that you have to do it again. How many times? 5 times. Yeah. It's that skill. It's not that there's something special. It's just for him to not feel bad in going back to learn things in class or back to learn things over again. If he can get this at a very young age, going back, taking constructive criticisms, not feeling bad doing it, seeing it as a way of life, it will serve him as a young boy growing up. It's a skill. It's not something that it's automatic. You're conscious of it. These are some of the things I learned in SFM. If you're conscious of it, you act on it, and it will get you the result that you want. Right, it's your time now. So what do you tell them to do? If they like what they...
Don't forget to
subscribe.
And smash up the like button.
Notification button. And if they like what they are hearing, they should do what?
I dare you.
Give you what? Thumbs up. That's it. Alright guys, take care.